like that. Oh man, that threw me back, boy. That dang pedal box, boy. Wait a minute. What it do? Tube, what it do? What it do, Tube? It's your boy, him too, baby. You know how I do. I gets down, I gets back. I'm always here. Right around the corner. Right in front of you. What's happening? Man, let me see if I can get this some brighter. Just a tad bit brighter. Y'all know I can't get it no brighter because the scorpion's in my mirror. My window, I mean, not mirror. It's in my window. But I'm going to put some things, go ahead and install some things on here and see how they work. So, do I want to tell you what it is? Or should I tell you what it is? Matter of fact, I'm going to show you what it is. Here it is. This is one of them. Then I also got my rear door puddle lights. Those really don't do nothing. If I show you in the daytime, you really can't see them. So I'm gonna have to come back at nighttime with those on. Because if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I put something in my passenger rear door that didn't make sense. And I know somebody didn't see it and they probably said something themselves. But they probably didn't see it, I don't know. Because I ain't heard nobody say nothing, that's one thing. But I'm going to put this pedal box on. Go ahead and tune and do what it says it do. Matter of fact, this one right here, the one I got, it's supposed to be the Bluetooth one. If it's not, it's going back. But it's supposed to be the Bluetooth one that I can control from my phone. We're about to see about that though. Right now I'm on this highway to byway. Let's see what this, let's not see anything. I don't feel like playing. I don't feel like playing though. Out here I'm riding over to my man's house so I can use his driveway to put this on, so I won't have to go to nothing like no car wash. So I guess I'll see y'all when I get there. I guess I'll see y'all when I get there. Let's roll. Probably too dark, but I'm here. I'm about to go ahead and try to do it. I'm up here in the car. I'm gonna put some light in there so we all can see. Yes, sir. But I'm about to go ahead and try to put this pedal box in. See what it do real quick, pimpin'. That's how we're gonna do. I know y'all probably can't see me right now. Let's see here. There we go. You can see me now. We're gonna put this pedal box in and see what happens from here on out. Let's roll. Kind of hard to show y'all how this shit is working, but I'm gonna see if I can get this up under there. Let's see if I can show you what it's actually doing. Y'all know, plug and unplug these and these. One to the accelerator, one to the existing connector. So let me see if I can see. If I can see up in here for you. So, let me see if I can get there. Nah, I can't get it up in there for you. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. And I guess once I get it in and play with it, I'll get back to y'all, man, because ain't no way I can get it up in there. I want to, but the way I got it, it ain't gonna work out for me. So okay, alright, let's do this. And I'm back. I installed it, pedal box. I did the instructions. Gotta hold the plus and minus button down 3 seconds. Let it flow. Accelerator, accelerator, accelerator. Do it like 3 times. Then also, in case you didn't know, mine is the one that has the Bluetooth, so I can control it from the phone. So I ordered this one. This one comes from DTE. What did the initial stands for? I don't know what the initial stands for now, but yeah, it did came from DTE. Pedal box. I don't know, no coupon code on here or anything. They ain't give me no coupon code. Comes in the box. Nothing special about the box. I'm gonna hold on to that just in case. got the box. So I actually set it up right here. Just put it right there. Double-sided tape. It's got a little case on it in case I want to pull it out. I just tucked the wire up in here, took a little bit of wire up into there, and that was it. It's really just a plug and play. You got this little, I don't know what type of material this is. Some type of cardboard with, I don't know what it is, but the material you plug, pull it out, pull it to the right. No, you actually pull it down, and you can see your pedal connection is connected. Plug one end in, plug the other end to the other end. Wish I could have showed y'all. That would have been so much easier than versus me trying to explain it. Like I say, man, just tuck the wires the way you want to tuck them, put them up in there, then tuck the box, and then I can control it from my Bluetooth. Now, boy, that's what's gonna kill them right there, man. Let me see here. Telling me that it's not connected. It's telling me it's not connected because the car's not on. So let's see here. So now it's connected. Cut the car on. Can y'all see that still? It lit up blue. But I'm gonna control it from my phone. So watch it change the colors. Let's get rid of that sound. It's gonna change colors. Woo! From the phone, baby. From the phone. You also can, acceleration, you can get it up and down. The phone is tight though. So I'm gonna show y'all on the phone because it's probably gonna kill y'all if I don't. Take this off. Boom. So it's all on the phone now. Acceleration. Change it with the blue. So you got City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Then you can turn it off by the power up top. It just turns it back to a neutral blue until the car is cut off. It actually stays on the whole time that the car is on. So if you want it on, just press that button and go to the blue. And I ain't never got to press this. So hopefully that'll stay stuck because that damn tape that they send you ain't worth shit. But other than that, man, I'm about to go play with this thing for a second and see what happens. Let's make it happen. Let's roll, y'all. Let's roll. All right, y'all. Let's see what happens here. See if it does something different. Car started. I guess that's a good thing. Oh shit! That's only in city, but that should feel like it's really taking off right now. Hold on, man. Let me put my damn seatbelt on, y'all. Let's see here, y'all. Let's check out sport mode. And the red, the blue, let's go. Oh! Oh! Yeah, y'all, it really gives it a little bit more oomph. Just a little more oomph. No more horsepower, but it gives a little more oomph. I like it that it's Bluetooth, though. I like that. But if you notice, I don't have that turned all the way up. This right here, it's not turned all the way up. So give me a second. I'm gonna pull over real quick. But it does make a difference, y'all. It does make a difference. Alright. I need to get on the straightaway where ain't nobody the hell at. You know, it's midday. It's 4:42, so 4:45 type thing. Ain't nobody out here sitting still. Let me see here. Right up in here. Oh, it's coming. Let's roll this way. Yeah. And I just got it on sport. So let's see here. Let's see what all this is about. Let's put it on sport mode plus, y'all. Let's see what happens. Oh! Oh! Yo! Yo, that takeoff is serious, yo. That takeoff is serious. It's like really jerking my neck. Break necking, neck breaking, y'all. that did something. I mean, it's just like, it's not like it's giving you 700 horsepower or anything of that nature. It's just giving you that throttle response, extra throttle response. I guess gives you that better takeoff. I don't think it gives you any more like, well, it's not giving you anything more like pickup speed or anything like that. It's giving you better throttle response. So basically your car is using all the throttle or all the horsepower that it has. And giving you that one good push. Let's go right here. So this is a road, nobody's here. Light green. Let's go over this. I'm gonna even stop. Yeah. Did a little something, but I think it should be a little bit more. But it did a little something. So with that being said, man, so yeah, with that being said, y'all, hey, got the Bluetooth one, like I said, the one for Bluetooth on the DTE. I don't know what the hell that stands for, digital technology engineering, I guess. Oh, yeah, that's me pressing the gas a little bit too hard. Popping my neck. Oh, look, see that? Oh yeah, oh yeah. That Sport Mode Plus is serious. I'm not gonna fucking run out of gas fucking with that shit, but excuse my language. But yeah, it's doing this thing. Pick up a little better. Okay, okay. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Next stop, Taser. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the Taser next and see what happens with that. Everybody keep talking about the Taser. We're gonna mess with that next and see if I don't feel like spending that much more money unless they gonna give me a military discount. But these mothers don't like getting you military discount. Woo! Can't even hold the phone, bro. Man, maybe I should check my what's the name out. Let me see how it's saying it's using up all your horsepower. Let me see something here. Let me check my sports page, my performance pages. It'll tell me all it's doing. It'll tell me. Let's check it. 1 second. Let's go here. I gotta turn this off. My music gonna jump up. Turn it down. Let's go to performance pages here. Let's go into performance. Taking it back. Not performing it out. Let's go into
starting SOS call. To cancel, press the SOS button.
What the hell?
Starting SOS call.
Stop it. Stop. It won't end it.
May be recorded and monitored for quality purposes. Welcome to the emergency response center.
Sorry.
Would you like to be connected to agents for emergency assistance?
End it.
Say yes or no.
No.
Thank you for calling the emergency response center.
SOS call ended. To reconnect, press the SOS button.
Shit. Performance. Alright. So as y'all all know, it'll tell you right there how much of your horsepower that you're using at one time. So let's see something here. That's flaring out. Can y'all see that? Let's see here. Down 0. First gear. Ready? Oh yeah. This is a bunch of it. That's why I ended up at. Oh, let's see here. Got me in the background. Alright. than that, man, I don't know if it'll make a difference. Whatever it did what it did. But I'm gonna play with it a couple more days, man, see what happens. Maybe I'll reset it, see what it do. If I don't, I just leave it as is. It feels like it's doing something to me. Give me a little bit more response to all y'all. Want to let you know that I do have an RT still. Nothing's changed about that. Nothing's changed. Woo. I need to turn this thing off, this sport mode thing. Yeah, I need to take this off, this sport mode thing. But with that being said, man, I want to appreciate y'all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and always be able to share these things. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll tell you everything I know that I can help you with. I know it's, oh, bro, I gotta turn this off, man. This is jerking my neck. I ain't used to this, huh? But other than that, man, stay ready. You ain't gotta get ready. It's your boy, him too wavy. You know we always here for 2020. Questions you have, you may ask. All right, I'm out. Deuces.